Hi, welcome back, my dear student. I hope you're having an awesome day. It's a very sunny day here, and I almost did not make it today to make this video, but I did, and it's really good. So I feel good. Let's go ahead and let's start building this a little more. The next thing we do need right here is to actually read some data from the database. Now, if you don't remember where we are because you probably watched that last video a long time ago, um, we've escaped some information coming from the form. We've went inside the database here to make a connection, and we are checking on this column right here for a default value, and now we are going to be displaying it. All right, this default value, we went into the database last time and we inserted that right here, as you can see, the 22 characters and the cost parameter. And I told you to go to the lecture on the section security for the lecture on the crypt function, on the password encryption, on the course itself. All right, so you can go to that security section. But anyway, hopefully you follow my advice from the last lecture and did that. Let's go ahead and continue this. So let's create a while loop. All right. Right here. Wow, that was completely backwards there, right? And then my SQLi, we're gonna use the fetch array. There we go. And what are we going to be fetching? This information right here. This variable result set. And let's go ahead and echo it out. Let's see if it works. Now I think that actually won't work because I'm forgetting something. I'm gonna show you in a minute. I just thought about it. The column is called rand salt in the database. All right, so this won't work. The reason is because we don't have anything there. Even though we have a default value here, the problem is that we have some old rows that, let me just browse and show you. These old rows that they don't have that value. They don't have that default value because we made this before. So anything that we make now will have that default value. So if I go back to the to admin, let's try to log in right here, Rico, and 123 is the password to get in. If we go back to users, let's go to add users, and I say, I don't know, one last name whatever, and literally that's what I'm gonna write. Username whatever, email whatever, even if I'm spelling it, don't worry about it, and some password, right? And then add user. And I think we should put something here to let us know that the user was added, right? I think we're gonna do that next time. I don't know. And let's go ahead and check it out. So we see that we added that user whatever, and now we have that rand salt added to it. So now we can see some data. All right, so let's go back here, and now, all right, so we can see some data. Let's go back to the form home site, and we need to actually, we need also a link here to take it to this page because it's tedious to do this by hand, right? Registration, as you can see here, registration.php. For some reason taking too long to load. Registration, there we go, there we go. I don't know what happened there, but so if I click on registration, on register, you can see that we get some value automatically from the database. All right, so I think that's it for this lecture here. On the next one, we're gonna create a link here and do some more things with the password encryption. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next lecture.